How to redeem bonds. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem bonds. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Redeeming bonds is a snap. Just a few clicks and the funds are directed to your payment destination. So firstly, select a security to redeem. Second, request full or partial redemption. Third, review your request and edit if necessary. Fourth, tap on the submit button and print your confirmation. A success message will appear when you successfully add the credit to your account. So, this is how you can redeem bonds. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button. Comment if you have any queries and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. See you on the next one.